Hello and welcome to the National Weather Service Missoula's weather planning briefing for Thursday, December 29th. Here's our weather threat matrix. In the short term, we have some moderate chances or moderate impacts for snow and potentially freezing rain across north central, west central Montana, north central Idaho. The remainder of Friday and Saturday looks to be low impact snow with chances for snow again on Sunday, followed by a period of mild weather. Some of the key points for the next couple days, we're going to be looking at two waves of snow. The first one will be arriving this evening, and then again on Friday morning in Idaho or early afternoon in Montana. Along with this first wave, there'll be a chance for some freezing rain in northwest Montana, especially along Highway 2 Friday morning. Strong winds in the Camas Prairie, also on Friday. On Sunday, some uncertainty exists. There is a chance for some modest snow, but weather models really aren't in great agreement on where that's going to happen. So some are thinking more northwest Montana, others are thinking more southwest Montana and Lemhi County, although snow amounts, no matter where this occurs, look modest at this time, so stay tuned. Also on Sunday, temperatures are going to be dropping back down to seasonable temperatures region-wide. And following Sunday, we're looking at a pretty dry conditions through midweek. Here's our current satellite. This is the West Coast and the Pacific Ocean. Here we have our first wave that's going to be arriving this evening. This will come into Idaho later this evening, western Montana this evening, and it'll bring the first round of snow. The second round is going to be bring a little bit more snow, and that's visible here off the coast of the Pacific Northwest. So what are we looking at for snow amounts? Well, both of these systems together will affect mostly the western part of our forecast area, so the Idaho-Montana border, north central Idaho, and some of the mountain regions, of course. So LookoutPass, LookoutPass will be seeing a lion's share of this event. The valley bottoms will not see a lot of snow, looking at mostly less than an inch, 2 inches at the most. This graphic will give you some idea of the probabilities and the ranges that you can expect across our area. Again, this event will favor the Idaho-Montana border and the higher terrain. So you can see here places like Kalispell, Missoula, only looking at not a big chance of getting even an inch of snow. So, and especially as you move farther east over towards the Butte area, we're not looking at much snow from there. Really, the concentration will be along the border over in north central Idaho as well, and in the mountains of the Mission and Flathead County area. Let's talk timing a little bit on this event. Here's LookoutPass. You can see the biggest, really the most snow really falling in that Friday morning time frame. So there's a first wave comes tonight. That's not going to bring us a lot, but then by Friday morning, we'll start to see some more. Friday afternoon in the LookoutPass area, we are looking at a chance for some snow bands on Friday afternoon. So that will result in some brief heavy snow. Confidence isn't super high on that, but do expect chances for some snow bands to show up. And here, looking at the temperature, I want to bring this to everyone's attention as well, is that as we get out past Saturday and then into Sunday and early in the week, you can see temperatures, they're coming down, but they're coming down from really high temperatures that we've been seeing, and they're going to return to more normal, more seasonable levels, and that's going to happen throughout the entire region, entire Northern Rockies. LookoutPass, similar in timing, not quite as much snow. Looking mostly Friday morning will be the bullseye here for snow on Lolo. And again, since the snow is really going to be concentrated on the Idaho-Montana border, Lost TrailPass isn't looking at getting as much, but the timing is about the same. So do expect that Friday morning period to be the snowiest. Looking out past next week, we can expect pretty good or pretty we can expect temperatures to be just slightly above average here. There's a slight chance of being above average here on our temperatures. This is on the right. And pretty similar for precip. We're got a slight chance of being above average in precip. So looking at just above average precip, just above average in temperature. This is, again, looking out past next week. And this is just circling back on our weather impact overview, our weather threat matrix. Again, moderate impacts for snow and slight chance of freezing rain up there in northwest Montana, snow elsewhere. Lower impacts on Saturday and Sunday, and looking at a mostly dry period to start the week with some return to more seasonable temperatures. And that'll do it for our briefing today. Thank you very much for listening. Next briefing will take place on Sunday, January 1st, 2023. Happy New Year from National Weather Service, Missoula. Please feel free to send us an email, give us a phone call, check our website, or catch up with us on social media. Thank you again.